Top 10 tallest building in the world. What is the tallest structure that humans have ever constructed? Steel frames allow modern skyscrapers to be built taller than traditional load-bearing concrete walls. Skyscrapers have shrunk in width, thanks to advanced construction techniques such as gaps that allow air to pass through and mass dampers that reduce swaying and vibrations. Top 10. Taipei 101. Location: Taipei, Taiwan. Completed in 2004. Cost: $1.9 billion. Height: 508 meters, with 101 floors. Taipei 101 was the world's tallest building from 2004 to 2010, until the completion of the Burj Khalifa. The tower received LEED Platinum certification for operation and maintenance in 2011, a remarkable achievement for a structure of its size and complexity. Taipei 101 has a series of observation decks on its upper floors, and it is the only skyscraper in the project with a rooftop concert. Numerous bands have held small-scale concerts on the 91st floor observatory. Top 9. China Zun. Location: Beijing, China. Completion: 2019. Cost: $3.78 billion. Height: 528 meters with 108 floors. The name Zun is derived from an ancient Chinese wine vessel that inspired the design of the tower. The structure rises from a 78-meter wide base, gradually decreases to a 54-meter wide midsection, and then gradually rises to a 69-meter wide crown at the top. The concave design, as opposed to other tapering or straight super-tall towers, provides larger prime floor spaces and ample space for window washing. Although the massive base favors structural balance and preferred core-to-perimeter distances, the large top section poses several structural challenges. Top 8. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center. Location: Guangdong, China. Completed in 2016. Cost: $1.5 billion. Height: 530 meters with 111 floors. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center is known for its versatility. Its shape is sculpted at 4 key transition points: residential to hotel, hotel to office, office to crown, and crown to sky. The building has 95 elevators, 2 of which are among the fastest in the world. They can reach speeds of up to 21 meters per second. They use permanent magnet synchronous motors and rollers to smooth out the ride in order to achieve such high speeds. The tower is outfitted with a variety of energy-efficient tools in order to reduce its environmental impact. The use of high-efficiency chillers, heat recovery from the water-cooled chiller condensers, and multi-level public transportation connections all contribute to the tower's sustainability. Top 7. Tianjin CTF Finance Center. Location: Tianjin, China. Completion: 2019. Cost: not known. Height: 530 meters with 98 floors. The tower's undulating curves express 3 programmatic components subtly while adding a bold monolithic expression to the skyline. While housing luxury serviced apartments, office space, and a hotel, it serves as an anchor for the surrounding development. In response to seismic concerns, the gently curved glasses conceal 8 sloping columns that increase the structure's stiffness. The multi-story wind vents are cleverly integrated with the aerodynamic shape of the building to reduce vortex shedding and wind forces. Top 6. One World Trade Center. Location: New York City, United States. Completed in 2014. Cost: $3.9 billion. Height: 541.3 meters with 104 floors. The skyscraper shares the same name as the original World Trade Center's North Tower, which was destroyed in the 9/11 terrorist attack. The memorial is made of 40,000 metric tons of structural steel and 49,000 cubic yards of concrete, which is enough to pave more than 320 kilometers of sidewalks in New York City. The structure has a cubic base and 8 isosceles triangles on its edges. The structure is shaped like an octagon in the middle. It's also one of the world's safest office buildings. The building's high-strength concrete can withstand 7 times more pressure than conventional concrete, and the reinforcement steel bars are significantly longer than previous WTC rebars. There are 71 elevators that can take you from the ground floor to the 102nd floor in under a minute. Top 5. Lotte World Tower. Location: Seoul, South Korea. Completed in 2016. Cost: $3.3 billion. Height: 554.5 meters with 123 floors. Lotte World Tower is programmed with more functions than is typical of tall buildings. The top 10 floors are dedicated to public use, with a rooftop cafe, observation deck, and other entertainment facilities. The building's design is inspired by Korean porcelain, ceramics, and calligraphy. The seam runs from top to bottom of the tower, the exterior materials are light-toned silver glass, and the roof is designed to support its own weight without the use of reinforcing pillars. The roof alone required nearly 3,000 tons of steel parts, high-precision GPS alignment systems, a 64-ton tower crane, and highly skilled workers. The tower can withstand winds of up to 80 meters per second and earthquakes of up to 9 magnitude. Top 4. Ping An Finance Center. Location: Guangzhou, China. Completed in 2017. Cost: $1.5 billion. Height: 599 meters with 115 floors. Ping An Finance Center is a new generation of prototypical skyscrapers, dense, tall, and highly connected. It connects to nearby residential and commercial properties as well as the Pearl River Delta's high-speed rail corridor. This is Asia's second tallest building, and it shares the record for the highest observation deck, 562 meters, with the Shanghai Tower. The tower has 33 double-deck elevators, each capable of reaching speeds of up to 10 meters per second. The building's streamlined shape improves both wind, reduces baseline wind loads by 35%, and structural performance. The entire structure is made of 1,700 tons of corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Despite the salty coastal environment, the material used in the project will keep the building's appearance from deteriorating for several decades. Top 3. Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower. Location: Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Completed in 2011. Cost: $15 billion. Height: 601 meters with 120 floors. Abraj Al Bayt, a government-owned megatall complex, has the world's largest clock face. With a total construction cost of $15 billion, it is the world's 5th tallest freestanding structure and the most expensive building. The tower's top has a 4-faced clock 400 meters above the ground that can be seen from 25 kilometers away. Each face is 43 meters in diameter, and 2 million LED lights illuminate all 4 faces. The spire at the top of the clock stands 128 meters tall and is topped by a 23-meter-tall golden crescent. The highest prayer floor is 480 meters high, and the highest observation deck is 475 meters high. Top 2. Shanghai Tower. Location: Pudong, Shanghai. Completed in 2014. Cost: $2.34 billion. Height: 632 meters with 128 floors. Shanghai Tower, one of the world's most stunning architectural marvels, represents China's green future. It consists of 9 cylindrical buildings stacked on top of each other, all surrounded by a layer of transparent glass facade. As it rises, the glass facade completes a 120-degree twist, which is intended to reduce wind loads on the structure while using less material. The tower used 1/3 of the steel required to construct a conventional building of comparable height. Material costs were reduced by more than $55 million. The tower has 3 shuttle elevators. One of them can travel at a speed of 73.8 kilometers per hour, which makes it the world's fastest elevator installed in a functioning building. At 578.5 meters, the tower also broke the record for the furthest traveling single elevator previously held by the Burj Khalifa. Top 1. Burj Khalifa. Location: Dubai. Completed in 2009. Cost: $1.5 billion. Height: 828 meters with 163 floors. Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building, but it also has the most stories, the tallest service elevator, the highest occupied floor, and the highest outdoor observation deck. The structure required over 55,000 tons of steel rebar, 110,000 tons of concrete, and 22 million man-hours to complete. At its peak, approximately 12,000 people per day, including laborers and engineers, worked on the building. The building's 100 kilometers of pipes supply an average of 964,000 liters of water per day. The air conditioning system is intended to draw cooler/cleaner air from higher floors. It provides 46 megawatts of cooling on extremely hot days, which is equivalent to 12 million kilograms of melting ice in a single day. When all maintenance units are operational, it can take up to 4 months for 36 laborers to clean the entire structure's exterior. The cleaning system alone set you back more than $5 million. Thanks for spending some of your valuable time with us today, top listers. If you liked this one, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.